Alright, today I'm taking a look at the AVCOO TENS and Powered Muscle Stimulator. Okay. That is pretty neat looking. So we have the pads. We got a little carrying pouch. It's nice, it's kind of a silky feeling. More pads and more pads. And more pads and more pads. We got the wires and a little carrying clip, so that's nice. So if we want to, we can throw this in here and we can throw this on our belt. Have it treat us while we're on the go. And we got the charging cable. This is USB-A to USB-C. And the instruction manual. Okay, it's actually a colored instruction manual too, so that's nice. We got the ports on the top, they're labeled A and B. And on the bottom we got mode, T, minus and plus, and then a button in the center. This whole thing feels pretty good. And nothing is really being covered up. You can even charge it with this case on because of the ports in the bottom. So, pretty cool. Okay, so this has 2 points that you can snap it on each wire, which is good because that means I'm going to be able to put this on, and I only need to use 1 port, and I can get both sides of my arm, so that'll be nice. Peel that off. Right about there. And we'll put this one on the other side. Okay. Alright, so we got TENS and EMS. So I do like how this is set up. So the mode button will switch between the different modes. And then the button in the middle will switch between the different programs inside that mode. Alright, so right now I'm on TENS. And I'm still on TENS. TENS, still TENS. There we go. So this one is EMS. So this one's going to be for actually building muscle. Okay, so the first 4 are TENS, the last 2 are EMS. So let's do TENS. There we go. So I got it on right now, and it feels just kind of like a little tingly at the moment. So let's go ahead and kick it up a little bit. There we go. Alright, so now I'm starting to feel it, and so you can see the intensity level. But I can say this definitely does feel very nice. It feels much like a vibrating massage. So let's change the mode. So as soon as I change the mode, it automatically puts the intensity back to 0. So I don't have to worry about accidentally going straight to muscle building and then having that thing on max. So let's go to muscle building. Okay. So you can kind of see it working. So I'm not doing that, it's doing that. Everything that's happening right now is because of this. So let's change the mode. And if I'm on TENS, program 1, I turn that up. It's kind of like a constant tingle, like nothing special about it. So let's switch to program 2. So this one has a little bit of a variation in intensity. So it kind of goes up and then down. Program 3. So this one's a pulse. It's like a dot, 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 dot. So yeah, there's a whole bunch of settings on here. I know bodybuilders really like these things because like you can take it on an airplane and you can work on actually doing something even while you're on the airplane, and they're great for recovery. So yeah, great little unit.